Yo, what's going on, beautiful people? I'm the Revive King, and you are back in the lab with NuLife kicks. We bring dead kicks back to life, and today we're gonna be bringing back these copper foams. Y'all know how these soles get. They get yellow, pissy yellow, beer yellow, but we're gonna show you how to ice them the new way. Our main area of focus for this pair is gonna be the yellow soles. Two things you should keep in mind whenever you ice kicks is the number of wears. The more the sneaker was worn, the longer it'll take to ice. And number two, if the sneaker has been iced with any Salon Care 40 or any sauces or creams. If it has, it may extend the process or make it more challenging to remove the yellowing. With that being said, let's head to the lab. I'll be using the Nu sole brush, the Nu nylon scrub, the Nu eraser sponge, the Nu Antidote, distilled water, and a lot of white microfiber towels. The right shoe tends to get more dirty, so we're gonna clean the right shoe first. If your kicks have suede or nubuck uppers, be sure to wrap them to protect them from dirty water or solution. Water, the Nu Antidote, and a Nu sole brush will be your go-to tools to remove a lot of heavy dirt. The texture of the nylon scrub will help remove dirt deeply embedded into the textures of the sole. Take your time and lock in on the dirt. The Nu eraser sponge literally erases dirt from smooth areas on the sole. Its porous surface hugs the dirt better than any tool and leaves you with a super close clean. To maximize the clarity appearance, use detailing tools like a pick or a flathead screwdriver to remove dirt in hard to reach places. Remember, the cleaner the sole, the more clarity you'll see and the faster the oxidation can be reversed. Always completely rinse, then place the sneakers under UV light for at least 18 hours each session. Today we're going to run 48 hours to kickstart this oxidation reversal process. And these are the results after 48 hours. We didn't reapply the solution at any time during this session. There's still room for more clarity, so let's continue. All right, guys, so the reapplication process is fairly simple. All we're gonna be doing is cleaning the soles once again, rinsing them, drying them, and then placing them under UV light. But our main focus is gonna be the dark areas or removing dirt just in general. We're going to run another 48-hour session. The more consistent exposure to UV, the better. If your sessions are shorter, it can take more time. As you can see, we've reached max clarity. The soles are good as new. No chemical burns, no traction loss. Evolve the way you ice your kicks using the Nu Antidote. Be sure to like and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. NuLife is shoe life.